Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to get a job on Costco, this wholesale center, then this video is for you. You have to do is you have to open your browser and you have to search for Costco's job or career. Then you can find the Costco carriers website, where also you can follow this URL from here. Then you can find this application area where you can find apply now button here. Also you can change your location from here. You can change your warehouse, and you can find the delivery location. You can change it from here. Now simply click on apply now. After that you have to visit the external link to that application window. So here you can see it has just lead us to the application window where you can apply to be for the job here. So here you can see that if you are a returning applicant and if you have an account already created on Costco, then you can sign into your existing account, or you can find these two options like apply to a specific position or apply to a location near you. So it will allow you to select the location from here. You can search by specify the location, like any of them from here. I'm going to add anything from here. Now after adding a zip code, then you can find the jobs nearby you. So just like this. Also apply to a specific position. You can find a specific position here like contact center, Costco logistics, Costco travel, depots, e-commerce, warehouse, or store. So for example, select one of them and you can find different types of services. There are two different positions in the contact center category. Click the job title to get more details about specific job. Now you have to select one of the specific like customer service representative or pharmacy tech phone agent. So I'm going with the customer service representative. After selecting one from here, the job type, you can choose the location, where you have to choose the location here. So or you can, after choosing that location, you can find the sell all open jobs. You can simply click on it and you can find all the open jobs from here. You can do any of them from here. So like details from here, like you have to choose any position here, like cashier or anything, like for example the cashier front end. And there is actually let me show you. If you go back, so details is here that there is equal opportunities, so there might be not available the calls here. So you have to choose another thing here. So here from here you can find the cashier. Let's go with the cashier and let's see if it's available or not. So contact center here, and let's choose allocation. So you have to choose allocation from here. Now for example, I'm going to choose allocation, choose the city and the zip code. Now I have added the zip code here. Now simply click on the search button here and you can find some here just like this. Now select one of them from here and you have to create a account, and then you have to enter create your profile with your legal first name according to your legal documents that are valid and issued by your government, the last name, the email address, desired username, desired password, then retype the password and the password hint if you want. So also you can use your Google account, or the best thing is if you have a complete LinkedIn profile that can give you an overview about your experience, expertise, and your qualifications. All of them you have created a portfolio on LinkedIn, so you can connect it with your LinkedIn account. Then you have to complete all the steps that prompted on your screen one by one. Question the job related, answer the questions of job related questions, and you have to give some personal information and make sure that you have read all of the terms and conditions, some what you will get, what you have to do, what's the benefits, all of them perfectly. Then you can apply for the job. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.